So here's the lovely bag, the Goyard Minaudière Mini Trunk from Goyard, of course. And then in this video, we're going to do what fits in this bag because it's not much anyways. So if you're interested on that, go check this out. So here you go again with this one. It's a really unique bag with its strap like this. It is the Goyard Minaudière Mini Trunk. And as you can see, it's in gray. It's a really lovely bag that we found it so unique from among all the luxury goods out there, because you already know how Louis Vuitton looks like, and then this one is kind of like there's a uniqueness on this one too. And then this is the basket of it. I'm kind of like thinking it's the basket of that. And then you're going to pull it out from it like so, and then you can wear it as is, like this, like a pouch. Oh, it's so gorgeous. We really love this bag anyways. So, and then it's so nice, the feel of it. It's hard trunk type of thing, but what fits inside? So let's check it out and then we'll see. So when you open it, I'll pull it out, and then so here we do have two compartments type of thing that you can put your stuff. Of course, we do have the Hermes lipstick, or lip balm I should say. And then we do have the Hermes Bastia. That one is where we put our medication and stuff like that. And then on the other side, we do have the pochette clay. And then this one, so that's the space that you can have. But we'll see what else can it fit. You can fit a iPhone, the small iPhones, not the Pro Max, because I have a friend, I borrowed his phone and then we tried it on and it can really fit, but it's snug though. So that's the caveat on it, but it fits. The Pro Max that we have, that 14 and the 15, it will not fit at all. So here you really need to be so organized with it because it's so compact anyways when you put things inside. So when you put that, and I think it will fit a little bit more, probably one more SLG. So we'll try it. I have Sebastian's pocket holder here, the pocket wallet. And then we'll see if we put it in there. And then, yeah, it's really, so if you're going to look at it, so you really need to be able to put things in place. So yeah, but it's really snug and it's really tight. So yeah, it's really going to be so tight now. So you can just rearrange it. And there you go. And then yeah, so I hope this one helps you to decide if you want this bag. It will not fit a lot, like I said, but you will have the Bastia, this one, the wallet, the pochette clay, and a lipstick. So that's what it will fit on this particular bag. So hope this one helps, and if you like this video, give us a like, comment below, and then we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye.